Hey guys, this is Nash. So ever since I installed Treble Resurrection Remix ROM on my Redmi Note 4, I got many messages from you guys to play PUBG on this ROM, to check if the game lags on normal settings or high settings. So in this video I'm going to play PUBG and will let you know if I find any glitch or lag in this game. So let's start PUBG on Resurrection Remix based on 8.1 on my Redmi Note 4. I just love this part of this game when I'm skydiving. And guys, I don't play this game, so pardon me if I make any mistakes. And so far it's running quite well. I don't feel any heat here on my phone. Looks like this ROM is taking full advantage of my Redmi CPU and GPU. And guys, on normal setting the game is running quite well. So there is no lag or any glitch so far in this game. And that's a good thing considering I have Redmi Note 4, which is almost 2 or 3 year old phone. Even apart from gaming, Resurrection Remix is an outstanding ROM. If you want, you can watch my full review in I button. So I'm going to change graphic setting from medium to high. And if you have better phone like OnePlus 5 or any Snapdragon 800 or above CPU, you can go to Ultra HD. Unfortunately, I have only 625 processor, so I'm going to high settings. So guys, this is the gameplay in high settings and I can't find any difference so far. Now it's been more than 20 minutes on high settings and I know zero kill for me, but bear with me, I'm a rookie player. The game is running really smooth and the graphic details are properly rendered. And guys, also let me know if you want me to make a hacking video for PUBG. Like you can unlock the frame setting which is by default 25, which is ridiculous. And also with that hack you can improve your shooting skills. So guys, I think Resurrection Remix is a good custom ROM if you want to play PUBG or any other high-end games. So the full review and how to install this Resurrection Remix on your phone, both of the videos will be in the I button as well as in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to make more PUBG video, let me know in the comment section. And this is your friend Nas signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.